I've got a Trendsend box. I loved my box last time. Let's find out what they sent me. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. Before I get started on my box, take just a moment to subscribe to my channel. Won't want to miss a minute of it. Trendsend is a clothing subscription box. You pay a stylist fee. In this particular instance, it's $20. You get some clothes, whatever you want, you pay for. Whatever you don't want, you send back. If you buy everything, you usually get a decent discount. This is only the second month I've gotten Trendsend, so I don't know what the discount is. But they always come with an envelope so that you can return anything you don't like. Postage paid, so it doesn't cost you anything, and you can exchange any sizes, and they usually make it really easy to do exchanges. This has some kind of little letter, so let's see what's inside of here. Usually a letter from the stylist just letting me know things about the clothes. My goal this year is to try every single clothing subscription box. The only one I'll keep month to month is Stitch Fix, because I actually have a plan where I pay for the year up front. Happy Trendsend Day and greetings from Michigan. I've packed this box full of goodies that you're sure to love. These include some pieces to go out in with your hubby or transition nicely into spring. The more feedback, the better. So I'd love to hear what you think of this box. Lastly, if you need to exchange for a different color size, simply mark kept at checkout, make a note of the size or color you'd like to return, and then send the incorrect items back. Enjoy your box, Carly. And then she included some styling tips and kind of some different things to wear with it. With Stitch Fix, I'm able to get you a free box with my code. I don't have a code for a free box. Sometimes when I leave the referral links, there will be a discount given, and sometimes there won't. So I'll leave it for you below if you want to go check it out, see if there's a discount right now. Cute little sticker, she who dares wins. The other one says you are enough, and I enjoy that. That's nice. Oh, I love this so far. This is a super, super cute kimono. The thing about kimonos is, I have several, and I've gotten them from these clothing subscription boxes, but when I wear them, I just feel like they don't go with me. Do you know what I mean? Do you ever just wear something and you think, this isn't me? I love trying new things, so I'm open to someone telling me, that's you look great in this. I'm open to that. So let me know in the comments what you think about this and all the pieces I get. Okay, we have just an ordinary white tank. Nothing special about it. I would never pay $48 for a tank. In fact, don't tell anybody, but I have a white maternity tank I wear. And it was like $12 at Target. I'll never pay more than that. Okay, we've got a pair of blue jeans. Now, last time when I got this box, I got a similar pair of blue jeans. And I think they were a size bigger. These are 14. I think last time they were 16. And I'm not kidding you, every single one of you told me to get those pants. So hopefully these are exactly the same and I might get them. I really like to wear my pants like this. Do you wear your pants like this? Or is that just a short person thing? Not sure if those are petite, and since I have legs that are about this long, sometimes pants don't fit me correctly. We've all got our problems. Being short's not one of them. Long sleeve, blue, kind of sweatery material. Oh, look at this, look at this. Oh, let me get it up there. See, short arms too. Look at this, I like this. I was gonna say this is nothing special, but you know what? This is pretty much everything I wear. This kind of material and just kind of a basic shirt. This is $24.99 on sale, and you can't beat that. You know what I'm saying? I know what I'm saying. Oh, this is looking cute. I don't really love the colors, but gray and pink? What am I even talking about? I love gray and pink together. This is so unbelievably soft. And then look at this edge here. Oh! Now I tucked in the front of one of these kinds of shirts in a previous video, and you weren't really feeling it. So I'm gonna try that in this picture. I'm gonna tuck it in, and I'm gonna do an untuck. Tell me how I should wear it. Tell me what's the cutest. That's what I want to know. You gotta help me. Make these videos so you can help me. She sent me 2 pairs of jeans. She must have realize, because I did comment on that, I did tell her in the comments that I liked them, they just didn't fit correctly, so maybe she's trying to help me find the perfect pair. These are a darker wash, and these are made with the crinkly hems so that you can't really roll them up. These are kind of weird. These are actually sewn right here. Right there. Look at that hem. Interesting. Interesting. I actually feel like I'm pretty good with my jeans, but if you find the perfect pair of jeans, you need them. I love that you come here and watch these videos with me. I especially love it when you watch my clothing boxes, because when it comes to fashion, I know nothing. I know a lot of things about a lot of things, but when it comes to fashion, I'm just useless in fashion. And I really do appreciate whenever you give me your feedback on what I should get. So be sure and tell me below what you think I should get. Thanks so much for watching me today. If you're new here, be sure and take just a moment to subscribe. You don't want to miss the clothing unboxings, but I do all kinds of stuff. And in particular, I've got some mascara on these eyes. Have a good look. And you're going to want to know what I'm using. You're going to want to subscribe so you don't miss. See you real soon. Bye.